2008, Cangzhou Heyuan Radiator Company Limited was established, adhering to the business philosophy of seeking breakthroughs through quality and development through innovation. The company has been deeply engaged in the field of thermal management and has now become a large-scale manufacturing enterprise in the automotive thermal management field, with a self-built factory covering 23,000 square meters and over 100 employees. The company integrates research and development, production and sales into one entity. It has multiple advanced production lines for brazed radiators and condensers, with an annual production capacity of over 1.5 million units and more than 3,000 product models. The products are suitable for many mainstream gasoline-powered vehicle series such as Honda, Toyota, Volkswagen, General Motors, and Hyundai, as well as new energy vehicle models like Li Auto, BYD, and IM. We hold three well-known domestic brands: Li-Fan, Lankai, and Ray-Lanke. The sales network covers all provinces in China. Its products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions worldwide, earning unanimous praise from domestic and international customers. At Heyuan, every precision and every process tells a story of exceptional quality. Punching Workshop. The company develops its own high-precision molds to ensure punching accuracy, optimizes the design of reinforcing ribs according to vehicle models, increases the pressing strength, creating the ultimate quality. Fins Production Workshop. It introduces advanced fin-making equipment, or using solid carbide independent cutting tools, highlighting the brand value. Advanced edge folding technology and high-precision window opening reflect innovative wisdom. Assembly Workshop. Skillfully assembled parts to bring out the charm of the products. Exquisite craftsmanship ensures efficient and rigorous manufacturing. Quality Inspection. Rigorous quality inspection treats every production detail with the spirit of craftsmanship. Brazing Workshop. In the brazing workshop, an advanced continuous nitrogen-protected brazing furnace, top-tier suspended brazing technology ensures the radiator core has an exquisite appearance and a robust weld. Patent technology, utilizing high-end materials to enhance product performance. Innovative design of the patented oil cooler eliminates the risk of oil and water mixing. The main plates, water tank, and ceiling strips are precisely matched to strictly control the risk of water leakage. Final Assembly Workshop. Servo fully automatic press machine, ensuring the pressing accuracy of the water tank reaches the millimeter level. Inspection. High-precision air tightness testing equipment accurately detects minute pressure changes, leaving no leakage undetected. Ignite the future of the industry with the fire of innovation, and warm the expectations of every customer with the service of craftsmanship. In the field of condensers, we take the lead in introducing industry-leading manufacturing equipment, possess the capability to manufacture all types of accessories, and strictly control quality and costs. Skilled workers with profound experience lay a solid foundation for quality. The high cost-performance ratio drives the internationalization process of Heyuan. Dual quality inspection ensures quality. Heyuan pursues not only the perfection of its products, but also the exceptional quality that exceeds expectations. In the future, Heyuan will always use technology as its rudder and quality as its anchor to write a legendary tale of innovation in the field of thermal management. Cangzhou Heyuan looks forward to working with you to unfold grand plans and create a bright future.